My name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. A girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be creating this look right here. And we will be creating it using the items from our Boxycharm Luxe Box. So it is Boxyluxe month, and that is where the products are coming from that we are reviewing and giving our first impressions of today as we created this look. Now, as usual, the items that we're going to talk about right now are those that are not included in the video, okay? Now, the very first item that I used, but you won't get to see, is the good jeans. I love me some Sunday Riley. Okay, love the products. They are amazing. And this one is an all-in-one lactic acid treatment. Okay, so this is the first product that you did not get to see me use. The second one is by Frank Body, and this is the Glow Mask Caffeinated. Okay, and this tube, I love it. They just came for us right off the bat. It said, glow on, I dare you, okay? Which I thought was kind of cute. I love the play on words, okay? And this one is a moisturizing face mask that is natural and ultra hydrating, okay? Now, this is winter time on the East Coast, okay? It is cold outside. It is in the 20s at night, okay? And this one is a, well, day or night, but a lot of our products should get the best benefits when you use them at night, because you're not out in the elements and what you're putting on your skin is not being disturbed by what's going on in the atmosphere, okay? So this is the next item that you will not get to see. The last thing that I have in this box that I did not use is the temple rub. Now, I'll tell you what, if anybody can tell me what I said down below when I unboxed this, I'll put you into a quick giveaway, okay? I'll find something here. Y'all know I have products for days that you may very well like, okay? And so, if you can tell me what my thoughts were about this, I'll be glad to create a giveaway around that. And I actually got another one of these. So let's just do the giveaway with this, okay? If you can tell me what it was about, I will quickly throw your names into a giveaway. I'll pull the names at the end of the month when I do the other giveaway, okay, the Juvia's Place giveaway, all right? And I will gladly give this to you, okay? Now, this one is the Temple Rub, and it's supposed to be 100% natural, and it's supposed to be calming. So, yet again, rubbing it on. We'll see. We will see, okay? Now, if you would like to see how this look was created, as well as the rest of the products that I used from this box, please keep on watching. since we did not have some final pieces like the mascara and the eyeliner, I did finish those up with some other items, of course, that were not included in this month's Luxe box. But I did use something that was in the premium box, which is this mascara right here, and I'll link it up above so that you can check it out. This one is called It's So Big, okay? And so we finished up the lashes with that, and this is what the final look is like. Okay, now let's just jump into the products. Okay, now, and y'all know I was not coming on here with any dirty brushes. So yes, I've already washed my brushes, okay, which they did wash very well. This is the Luxe Glitter and Gold brush set. I did use all except one brush, but you can't tell the difference. I've washed them all and they washed very, very well. Okay, I am all about that, and I know I am a little extra, but I do wash my brushes after each use. Okay, then we used the eyeshadow palette by Hip Dot, and this one is the C-Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. The shades that we used were Rain, Melt Water, Jungle, Sacred Spirit, and Tula. Okay, so we did almost the whole bottom line and the first row. Okay, so that is what we use from the Hip Dot palette. And I have to tell you, these shades were amazing. They were nice and pigmented. Now, when I did my first unboxing, I just couldn't. I was having a tough day, okay, because some of the items that I actually put in for did not appear in my box. So I was kind of feeling some kind of way. But when I saw this palette, I had to create a look, okay? And they are nice and buttery. They show up well. And I really enjoyed using these, especially with these brushes, okay? Now, it was not the only eyeshadow in the box. We also received the Hot Mess Threesome gel eye pens, okay? And we received them in the shades Blue Glitter, Green Glitter, and Black Glitter, okay? And in this look as well, I used the black and the blue. Now, I use them as a base, okay, so that we could kind of make the blue and the black pop even more. So even when I use the blue as a liner on the bottom, just on the outside of the waterline, and then I went over it with one of the shades from the Hip Dot palette. And as I said, I definitely do like the way that it came out. They make a nice duo, you know, not three of these, but to use these along with this. Then I received the iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette. Let me tell you something. This highlight is popping, okay? And that came out of this palette. I also used the bronzer here, take it around the edges and to kind of chisel out the chin a little bit. I like this. Tell me down below what your thoughts are about this look. Well, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we created this look. We reviewed these products and I've given you my first impression of them. So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.